Okay, so here it is, grocery haul. Natural ground turkey, lean, extra lean, it's like 93% lean, 7% fat. Whole wheat tortillas. Key here is look at carb content, how many carbohydrates per tortilla. So this is 18 grams. Rice cakes, rice-a-roni, cilantro lime, salt-free Mrs. Dash, avocados, almonds. This is not in week 1 meal prep. This is for my husband. He likes these a lot, but they are definitely a good snack protein option. So those are the tuna fish creations by Starkiss. Broccoli, frozen corn, both frozen. Salsa. Okay, 50-50 blend for the dark greens, salads and stuff. You can do any type of lettuce you want to use, but this is full of much more phytonutrients and micronutrients than just regular iceberg lettuce. Deli lunch meat from the deli, boar's head, low sodium chicken breast, but I know that's more pricey. Definitely a little bit healthier than the packaged stuff. Coconut milk, vanilla. So this one, like I said, during the click list, they had substitutions. So this one's 130 calories. Alternative they gave me for the substitute was 200 calories. Now, I know some people don't care if it's dairy, don't mind it, or don't have any issues. This is the stuff that is really good. Greek yogurt. It's only 80 calories. Get them at Costco. Giant stack. So that's the haul, and we will show you how to prep everything and get it going. Okay, prep underway. Measuring cups, pressure cooker, chicken, ground turkey, frozen corn, frozen broccoli, black beans, rice, and taco seasoning. That is for that baby right there. And cooking with black pepper, garlic powder, and salt-free Mrs. Dash Southwest Chipotle seasoning and avocado oil. Crazy. What are you doing? All right, here we go. Okay, starting with the turkey. Do one thing at a time so we get everything done. A little bit of avocado oil. Okay, meat's in there. So this is the first time I'm making this as well. So we will learn together. I'm just kind of winging it. So this is 93% lean, I believe, ground turkey. Gonna get this cooked up and then we'll add our other ingredients. Okay, I already added some of the black pepper, ground that, some garlic powder, and some of this baby, one of my faves. Number one thing for eating lean, spice it up. Lots of flavor, keeps things interesting. Okay, so y'all might think I'm crazy, but I opened a can of beans and they were just like looking way too slimy to me. So I washed them and they look much better. So, okay, added my 1 cup of black beans and gonna pop open the bag of corn, add that and let that kind of simmer. Put in the taco Mrs. Dash salt-free taco seasoning and let that all kind of marinate and finish up. Okay, so looking at my pot, it's actually kind of full and the corn is still frozen because I'm using the water that's in it to kind of melt and allow that to mix in with this. So I may have to wait a minute to let that kind of defrost and add more moisture to my pot so I can add this taco seasoning for our taco salads. Yum yum. Okay, this is starting to warm up again and gonna add the taco seasoning. While that's getting ready still, I am cooking the chicken over here. I added black pepper. I'm cooking in the avocado oil. I also added garlic powder, and then 2 seasonings I added to this one is just some Italian seasoning and some onion powder. So letting that cook up, and that will be ready for our meal number 2 for the week for dinners. Okay, just added a little bit more seasoning to it, so feel free to season this how you want to season your chicken. Just remember, very minimal salt to no sodium if possible, at least for this prep, during this prep time for the 6 weeks. And then you can always add a little bit of salt. If you don't cook with it, you can always add it to your meal, which is a little bit better and way to portion it much easier. I added the Mrs. Dash seasoning, the taco seasoning packet, and this is pretty much done. I'm just letting the corn defrost all the way a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and portion this out. I'll show you guys how to do that. Meanwhile, all we got left to do is put this in the pressure cooker for the rice to cook and get our vegetables steamed so we can get those all prepped out in our containers. All right, looking good. Hope you guys are having fun. Okay, so after cooking the chicken, I wanted to brown it up a little bit, so we're gonna crisp it up. Well, not crisp it up, but you know what I mean. Brown it up a little bit. Put it on high. Getting this done real quick, and then our chicken will be done. Okay, so now doing the rice in the power cooker here. If you have one, that's great. If not, just, follow the regular box instructions. So this is my first time I'm actually doing it in this thing, and I'm really excited. But I added in, because I'm doing 2 batches, so I did 4 cups of water, doing the 2 boxes of the rice. I already added in the seasoning packets that came with them into the water, and I'm just kind of mixing that in so that it kind of coats and thoroughly cooks throughout the rice and not just have concentrated flavored rice in areas. Okay, so did that. Gonna add the rice in and push the button. Okay, I lied. Rice wasn't done, but I will show you how we are going to weigh out our protein. Okay. So we're gonna set it to ounces. Okay. So I have this on here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna clear it out. Okay. We're gonna do 4 ounces. I think I need a bigger spoon. Oh well. Okay. If you're over a little bit, a-okay. Okay. There's that. And then 1 cup of veggies. And this is going to be for our taco salad. So I'm just putting this in this container for now. When it comes time to eat it, you can throw your lettuce in something else or add it to that, whatever you want to do. Should be good to go. Okay, rice, 1/4 cup. Don't have to be precise. Meal prep pretty much all done. Let's go over what we got here. We have for Monday and Thursday, 1 cup of veggies, 1/4 cup of rice, chicken breast, Monday and Thursday. Then we have on Tuesday and Sunday, chicken breast, rice, and we'll do this with the salad. With light dressing, make a salad out of it. Same with this. This will be taco salads for Tuesday and, or no, I'm sorry, Wednesday and Friday. So we'll warm this up, put it all together with our salad, top it off with some salsa, and make a yummy taco salad. So, have any questions? Give me a call. And don't forget, this is 6 meals, because on whatever day of the week you want to do a cheat meal, you can do a cheat meal. Or if you want to be super good and no cheats, then just make an extra dinner. That's all you need to replace with. Okay, hope you have fun.